A very good morning to you students. This is the last video of your chapter Factors of Production, Land and Labor. In the last class, if you remember, we had done the concept of efficiency of labor or labor productivity. So I told you that labor productivity, a labor is called to be efficient or productive when in very less time he is doing much work. Okay, so how do we define labor productivity? It is the work done in the number of hours. Okay, so if the work done in number of hours is more, we say that the person is efficient. Okay, now today we are going to discuss the last topic for the chapter reasons for low efficiency of labor. Suppose a person is not able to do much work. Okay, he is not efficient. A labor is not efficient. It means he is not able to do work fastly. Okay, the term efficiency simply means that with what speed the labor is doing the task. Okay, so what could be the reasons for low efficiency of labor? The first one is traditional and less efficient techniques. Okay, one of the reasons why the labor is not able to produce more, one of the reason why labor is not able to give more production is that the efficient techniques are not used. Okay, the the technology that is used for production, the machines or the equipments that are used for production are traditional and obsolete. Traditional and obsolete means they have become really old and many new machines have come. They are not being used in the process of production. Okay, so the use of traditional and less efficient techniques leads to less production. Okay, it leads to less production, and finally we say that the labor productivity is low, the labor is not efficient, but actually it is fault of the technology. Second, lack of trained labor force. One of the reasons why labor efficiency is low, okay, it means that the work done is not, the production is not happening, is that the workforce is not trained. Okay, see, a normal situation, when a person is skilled and knowledgeable, okay, and the person is being trained for a job, he will be able to perform better and produce more goods. But if a person is not trained properly, he does not possess the skills and the knowledge to do that particular job, in that case, he will not be able to give more production. The production will be very less given by the labor. So what do we say? We say that when the trained labor force is not there in the country, there is low efficiency of labor in the country. Third point is problem of power shortage. In India, it is a very common problem. We say that production is not more, we blame the labor for it, but the actual problem is power shortage. Okay, the electricity goes. Okay, in many rural areas where the industries are set up, okay, very rural and backward areas, proper electricity facility is not there. And now all the machines, they work on the basis of electricity, power. The work is being done on the basis of power facility, and when the proper power facility or the electricity is not there in those industries, definitely the production is going to be less and the efficiency of the labor will also be less. Labor knows the work, but when there is no power, no electricity, how will he work? Right? Fourth point is low wages. One of the reasons for low efficiency of labor, or the worker is not working very nicely and he is not working fastly, he is not producing more goods, is that he is getting low wages. Okay, see, wages and salaries are the motivation for the workers. Okay, when they get good wages, they are motivated to work more. But in case the wages are very low, substandard wages, the person will not be willing to work. Okay, so in case of low wages or the low incentives, low salaries, the people are not going to work. So definitely the production of goods will be less, and hence there will be low efficiency of labor. Last point is absence of adequate social security scheme. Generally the people who are daily workers मतलब casual workers working on construction site, or these are the kind of daily workers. Okay, in the case of casual workers or the daily workers, they do not get any social security schemes. Now what are social security schemes? Generally in organizations, in good business organizations, there is a policy of provident fund. Okay, what is this provident fund? The employer contributes some amount, okay, and the employee also contribute equal amount towards the provident fund. क्या होता है, employer भी कुछ amount contribute करता है, same amount employee जो काम करने वाला worker है वो भी contribute करता है provident fund, and at a later time period the employee will get the benefit from that fund. Okay, provident fund, medical facilities, okay, hospital facilities, all these are given by good organizations. But the daily workers do not get such social security schemes. The casual workers do not get provident fund facilities like old age pension. Okay, pension is again a social security scheme wherein the person after he retires from the job, he continuously gets some amount. Okay, in government organization the pension is a very good amount. So the daily workers or the workers in substandard category, they do not get social security schemes like old age pension, provident fund, hospital bills, okay, hospital facilities, medical facilities. So in case of absence of adequate social security scheme, the worker will not be motivated to work. Acha, whenever such facilities are not there, okay, the worker feels that something is missing from the compensation. He is not getting the worth of that job, so he will not be motivated to work more. If he will get old age pension, yes, he knows that after some time I'll be getting old age pension. Okay, there are hospital facilities for him whenever he get ill, so he will be having more incentive to work. वो काम करने के लिए बहुत he will be motivated to work more. But in case of absence of adequate social security scheme, he will not be motivated to work, and hence the efficiency of the labor will be very low. With this topic, we end our topic, factors of production, land and labor. Okay, this was the last module, module 9. Total 9 modules have been uploaded for the chapter land and labor. You need to go through the modules and study them. Please do watch the videos and clarify your doubts. Okay, we are going to start with revision classes. We have already started. Okay, so please watch the videos and bring your doubts. Thank you.